guys, welcome back to CantoHousewife. It's Karen. Today we're going to talk about the laziest way and most authentic way to make char siu, which is barbecue pork. This is the first time I'm showing my face on a recipe, so if you'd like to see my face more, let me know in the comments and subscribe to my channel. If you'd rather not see my face, still comment below and let me know and I'll just go back to the regular way. Today I'm using my mom's recipe to make the authentic version, which kind of like lead into the lazy version. But if you want a simplified version, you can just take the char siu sauce and 1 tablespoon of the Shaoxing wine, mix it together and marinate the meat for 6 hours or above, and then just bake it. So for my lazy version, I'm just going to mix all the marinade together. I'm just going to cook the pork and then let the marinade sit for like 8 hours and just bake it. But if my mom is watching this, she's going to say, it's all wrong. You're not going to teach that. Well, Mom, I am. But if you're doing it my mom's way, you're going to take a tablespoon of honey, dilute it with 1 teaspoon of water, and just brush it on every 10 minutes.
Here is the ingredient list for 2 servings. You can adjust the marinade according to the amount of pork you're using.
So regardless if you're taking the easy way or the authentic way, the first step we're going to do is take a fork and then we're going to poke the pork like there's no tomorrow. This will help the meat absorb the marinade better.
If you do it my mom's way, she's going to ask you to cut the pork shoulder into slices, roughly 1 inch thick. But I cut it even more. I cut that 1 slice into 3. So roughly it's about like 1 inch by 3 inches. It will cook faster. For the marinade, we're going to do 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, half a tablespoon of salt. This is optional, but I added some mushroom bouillon powder. You can use chicken bouillon powder. And then we have half a teaspoon of 5-spice powder, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, half a cube of red fermented bean curd. I added the honey here, but if you do it my mom's way, just dilute it with 1 teaspoon of water and just brush it on the char siu as it goes. Last but not least, I put half a tablespoon of the hoisin sauce and mix everything together. Let the marinade sit for 6 to 8 hours and then start the baking process. If you want the color to look more vibrant, you can add a few drops of red coloring, but I didn't do it in this recipe. For my speedy and lazy version, I'm just going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake each side for 13 minutes without brushing on the honey water. If you want to do my mom's version, here is the breakdown of how she do it. 5 minutes before cutting into the pork, and this is how my lazy and speedy version came out. It's still super juicy and delicious. The meat is so tender and we just don't have to keep brushing it every 5 minutes, and I'm fine with that. Sorry, Mom. One of the dinner combo I love to make with the barbecue pork is shrimp and egg scramble. The super fluffy egg and tender meat just blend together perfectly. Make sure you check out my shrimp and egg stir-fry recipe at the end of the video.
That's it for this video. Hopefully you like this content. If you want to see more video like this, make sure you leave a comment below to let me know and subscribe to our channel.